Welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, we will be learning how to lock YouTube Kids screen. To lock the YouTube Kids screen, first of all, open up the YouTube Kids application on your device and make sure that you're signed in. Now, make sure that you choose your kids profile and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Now in the pop-up, enter your parental passcode or solve a simple math problem. From the settings menu that pops up on the screen, go ahead and tap on Set Timer. Now, choose the time duration by dragging the slider left or right, and once you set the time, tap on Start Timer. Once the time that you've set on the app runs out, the screen will then be automatically locked after the time limit exceeds. And that's how you can easily lock YouTube Kids screen. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.